Hi all, in this release we will talk about 6 tools that will be useful for every man. Let's go! Speed Plaque. This device allows you to speed up the cutting of drywall and to make an impeccably smooth cut in the shortest period of time. The sheer cut is not possible to damage even with the maximum length of the drywall sheet. The device contains 3 stringers with a sliding cutter and a swivel head. The sliding cutter is a unique patented device. It moves along the guide. In one pass, the blade makes an accurate 0.2-inch deep cut. The ergonomics of the device are designed in such a way that a long cut, which previously could be done only by 2 workers, is now accurately performed by 1 person in 2 moves. The user is completely protected from potential danger of injuring the hands with a blade. SpeedPack has a swivel head for precise setting of the angle of the cut and also a holder that does not let the gypsum scrap fall to the floor. This little trick not only saves cutting time, but also cleaning time. Ken Onion. The compact machine Ken Onion sharpens a tool at a selected angle, creating a lenticular shape for descents. The know-how of this gadget is to use 5 types of abrasive tapes instead of stone circles, which we are used to seeing on sharpeners. In several movements, the device sharpens the lens-shaped blade without violating the shape of the descents. The principle of operation is simple. You need to put on an abrasive belt, set the desired angle of sharpening, and draw the cutting edge of the tool on the product being sharpened. The shape of the blade does not change, as it happens during rough sharpening with an abrasive wheel, and the quality of the tool does not worsen. To fine-tune the sharpening, you can set an angle from 15 to 30 degrees with a pitch of 1 degree. The result is comparable to a gentle manual sharpening with a Waterstone done by a professional, but takes only a few seconds. Tight Reach. Old model socket keys can definitely be left behind thanks to Tight Reach. At the moment, the instrument is positioned as the best assistant of any car repairman. It will also definitely be appreciated by representatives of all professions dealing with hard-to-reach nuts. In seconds, Tight Reach copes with situations where a person using a standard front-end key can work for quite a while. The key is available in a housing made of die-cast aluminum with 1/2, 1/4, and 3/8 inch actuators. Strong inserts and gears are made of chrome vanadium alloy. Bushings have a low coefficient of friction. The mechanism can withstand loads of up to 1,102 pounds. The adapter is able to work with an automatic nut runner, sledge wrenches, and ratchet wrenches. You can order the instrument on the official website. The price is $150 per half-inch model and above. Dowel Press. Compact Dowel Press makes it possible to produce all types of wooden dowels from any type of wood. The tool is designed for small carpentry shops where it is required to make wooden plugs with a complex surface on the go. The device allows you to create dowels of 1/2, 1/4, and 3/8 inches. It is enough for you to have a wooden workpiece, which is placed in the press, and then after several moves, the wood is squeezed into the log of the desired configuration. In a few seconds, you get a dowel with a complex surface that does not require additional adjustment and grinding. Such precision of wood processing is available only in professional woodworking machines. Perfect Fit Dado Gig. It is quite difficult to make a plywood groove with precisely verified linear dimensions by a hand tool. An error of a few microns leads to the fact that the furniture can't be assembled or the connection will loosen right after assembly. The Perfect Fit Dado Jig router cuts grooves that are ideal in terms of geometry with a finely tuned pitch of 5/8 to 1 inch wide. The device works with a plywood of non-standard thickness and curved surface, significantly saving production time. The cut is done easily. Just install the guide by fixing it with clips on the surface of the plywood sheet, make the necessary measurements, and adjust the width of the sliding base into which the saw is mounted. Then make the initial cut with a saw and turn the base and do the reverse cut. The perfect groove is ready. You can connect to the router saws of such brands as Makita, DeWalt, Bosch, Hitachi, and others. Incra iBox Jig. Each carpenter knows how difficult it is to cut through precise scalloped end connections to create wooden boxes and containers. The Incra iBox Jig Joiner router completely solves this problem. It is now possible to cut through the joints of complex geometry in a couple of minutes. Compared to traditional machines for cutting joints, this tool has an increased level of safety and the ability to fine-tune the pitch of the cut. This know-how gadget has a twin screw mechanism for fine-tuning the width of the grooves from 1/4 to 3/8 inches. The pitch between the cuts is adjusted with the same precision. After the initial setting of the dimensions, the job is done at an impressive speed. The router can be used not only to make joints, but also for decorative processing of wood and high-precision cuts for door butt hinges. Guys, which instrument do you like the most? Please write in the comments. Thank you for watching us. See you soon in the next release.